Hello my dear students, I welcome all my viewers to my channel Easy Maths, myself Pratima Tiwari. In this video, I'll explain exercise 13.3. Write the following numbers in expanded form. So the first question is 279404. If you see the place value of each digit, what is the place value of 2? So 2 will be multiplied to its place value. So it is at ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakhs place. So I'll multiply it with lakh plus 7. 7 is at 10,000 place, so it will be multiplied by 10,000. 9. 9 is at ones, tens, hundred, thousands place. So multiply it with 1000. 4. Multiply by 100. 0. Normally we don't write the place value because 0 multiplied by any number will be 0. So we leave 4. It is at ones place. So 1. Now in exponential form, how do we write 1 lakh? So it will be 10 to the power 5. You can see 5 zeros are there. So 10 to the power 5. 7 multiply 10 to the power 4. 9 multiply 10 to the power 3. 4 multiply 10 to the power 2. And 4 multiply 10 to the power 0. Any base to the power 0 is having the value 1. Next number 3006194. So again we do the same thing. 3 is having the place value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. 6. 1, 2, 3. That means 1000. 1. 100. 9. 10. And 4. Ones place. Now in exponential form, it will be 10 to the power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. 6 to the power 3. 1 multiply 10 to the power 2. 9 multiply 10 to the power 1. 4 multiply 10 to the power 0. 2806196. So 2 multiplied to ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. 8 lakh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 thousands place. So 1000. 1 hundreds place. 9 tens place. 6 ones place. In exponential form, 2 multiply 10 to the power. Just count the number of zeros and that will be the power of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6. 8 multiply 10 to the power 5. 6 multiply 10 to the power 3. 1 multiply 10 to the power 2. 9 multiply 10 to the power 1. And 6 multiply 10 to the power 0. Fourth one. 1 multiply 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 multiply 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just we put the number of zeros as many digits we have after that digit. So we have after 2, 1, 2, 3, 4 digits. So 4 zeros. 0 we don't write. So 7. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1. 1, 0. 9. 1. Now in the exponential form, 1 will be having the 1 multiplied by 10 to the power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 power. 2. 4 power. 7. 10 square. 1. 10 to the power 1. And 9. 10 to the power 0. Next one. 2 multiply by 10,000. 6 multiply by tens. 8 multiplied by ones. So 2 multiply 10 to the power 4, 6 multiply 10 to the power 1, 8 multiply 10 to the power 0. And question 1 is done. Question number 2 says, find the number from each of the following expanded form. What we have done in question 1, we have to do just reverse in question number 2. A, 8 multiplied 10 to the power 4. That means place value of A is 10,000. Place value of 6 is 1000. Place value of 0 is 100. Place value of 4 is tens. And the place value of 5 is ones. So let's start at 10,000's place. That means we have 4 digits after it. 6 thousands place, 0 hundreds place, 4 tens place, 5 ones place. So we get the number 86,045. So B, 4 multiplied 10 to the power 5. That means place value of 4 is lakh. Place value of 5 is 1000 as it is having 10 to the power 3. 3 is at hundreds place and 2 is at ones place. So now according to that we will write 4 at lakhs place, 5 at thousands place, 3 at hundreds place, 2 at ones place, and where we don't have given the any digit, where we will place the zeros. So you can see 10 to the power 1 is not given, that means at 0. At 10,000 place we don't have any digit, so 0. Here 3 multiplied 10 to the power 4. 10 to the power 4 means after 3 we have 4 digits. After 7 we have 2 digits. So after 2 digits, if I have 7, I will leave 2 digits from the ones place. At 5 is at ones place, so 5. What will I fill here? 0, 0. Next, 9 is at lakhs place. It is having 5 digits after 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you see, 10,000 place is empty. Here 10 to the power 5 and directly 10 to the power 2. That means 10,000 and 1,000 places are not given. So 10,000 and 1,000. 2 is at hundreds place. 3 is at tens place, and it is having 10 to the power 1. And at ones place we don't have any digits, so 0. Question number 3, express in standard form. So in standard form we put the decimal just after first non-zero digit. So here if you see, which is the first non-zero digit? 5. So I have to put the decimal after 5. And since we don't have any decimal place, so we keep 0. Multiplied by 10 to the power. Now 10 to the power what? If no decimal is given in this number, that means it is whole part of decimal number and decimal is hidden somewhere here. So just count how many places decimal is moving ahead. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 10 to the power 7. Next, here again decimal is not given, that means it is hidden here. I have to put it just after first non-zero digit. That means after 7. How many digits decimal is moving ahead? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 10 to the power 6. 3, 1, 8, 6, 5 and 5 zeros. Again decimal is not here and it has to be just after the first non-zero digit, that is just after 3. So 3.1865. I have so many decimal digits, so I won't keep zeros. Now 10 to the power what? Decimal comes from the end to how many places? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 10 to the power 9. Decimal will come after 3. So after 3, 9, 0, 8, 7, 8. And decimal moves ahead. How many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. here. Decimal is here and it has to come just after 3. So 3.90878. We keep this also. Just we are shifting the decimal space. So decimal space is shifted, rest all will be there. Now multiplied by what? How many places it has moved ahead? 1, 2, 3, 4. 10 to the power 4. 3. Now decimal is coming from here to here. 3.90878 multiplied by 10 to the power 1, 2, 3. So it is coming 3 places ahead. Next question, question number 4. Express the number appearing in following statement in standard form. Here I am not writing the full statement. I have just extracted the numbers from the statement. So the first one is 3, 8, 4 and 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So just in standard form. What should I write? I should write it as 3.84 and decimal comes ahead 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 10 to the power 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it will be 3.0, 10 to the power. How many places it is coming ahead? 8 places. Next one, 1, 2, 7, 5, 6 and 0, 0, 0. So 1.2756, 10 to the power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. Next D, 1, 4, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So 1.4, 10 to the power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. Next E. So 1.0 multiply 10 to the power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11. 1, 2, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 10 to the power, let me count the number of zeros again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, one more zero. So now I want decimal after 1 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So 10 to the power 10. G. 3 and now count the number of zeros. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So 3.0, 10 to the power. Super. Next 60230. So it will be 6.023, 10 to the power 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 22. So 22. It is coming just before this 0. So 22. Next 1.353. Decimal comes after 1. 1.353, 10 to the power 369. So 9. And the last one 1.027, 0, 0, 0. So 1.027 multiplied 10 to the power 369. In a 9. Chapter is completed. Keep watching, keep learning. Bye bye. Have a great day ahead.